Searching for an absolutely impeccable, move-in ready, fully furnished home, one that will exceed your New York City wish list thanks to the views, finishing touches, natural light, storage, amenities, location, one that was even designed by a British winning architect, then welcome to my new and exciting listing here on Bryant Park. This home is owned by a couple who are famously known in their circle for having the highest of standards and taste, where only the best will do. The fact that they approved and then improved this home means more than you'll ever know. As you enter the large, light-filled home, you'll notice the heated oak herringbone flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows, each one with Juliet balconies and each one framing park views that get even more spectacular at night. Fine finishing touches like bringing the travertine seamlessly from the outside in. Custom designed cabinetry and concealed Gaggenau appliances, ensuring a clean, fresh and modern look. Hand-picked marble slab walls, generous hidden storage and unique lighting to help highlight these fabulous features. Furnishing an apartment for a home of this standard can be a timely and costly process. However, this home really is move-in ready and as such comes fully furnished to a level unachievable by most. The prime location is right over Bryant Park, which means convenient access to some of the very best New York City has to offer. Arts, culture, business districts, sporting events, shopping, fine dining, nightlife and even transportation. Being a true condo, there are 24-hour doormen, entertaining lounges, a conference room, gym with sauna, bike room, cold storage for food deliveries and even a fully serviced bar thanks to the wonderful people at the Park Terrace Hotel. Working in New York City can be tough and grueling. Having a home to relax and unwind in is essential and something you both deserve and need. For additional information and see what makes this home so extraordinary, please contact me, Luke Whittle, your future real estate advisor and friend to be.